morning, y'all. I was actually recording my brother. This is not a selfie. This is me recording my brother. Take a look out there. The traffic is actually lightened up, but he's still a little upset, y'all. We do this every morning when we driving in traffic. Now, this morning he had a reason, because I wish I could have filmed it about 5 minutes back. The traffic was actually a parking lot, but he's still a little upset about it. You know what I'm saying? He do this every morning, y'all. Every single morning we do this, where he fuss over the traffic. So if you're wondering why we doing this, I'm just trying to get some video proof of the driving Miss Rasputia video. You know what I'm saying? Take a look, y'all, and go back and check out the video.